Okay, you can go. I'm Willow, and I'm going to show you how you can graph a quadratic and a linear function at the same time. So I'm going to use the equations x squared plus 4x minus 10 and y equals x plus 5. So first, I have to click the y equals button to enter in these equations. So I'll click in x, and then I press this button here so we can raise the power. X squared plus 4x minus 10. And then I have to go down so I can edit the y too, which will be x plus 5. So now that I have these points entered in, I can simply press the graph button and it will graph both of these. I can move along here to find different parts of the graph and different values along here. And I can also click on the second graph, which will take me to the table of both of these. And I can see all of the values for the x and y values. And this makes it much simpler to find than having to calculate it manually. Oh God.